Toyota dash cams, also called driving camera monitors or DCM, are integrated systems that record video and audio. They automatically activate upon ignition and may continue in parking mode. They record both the road ahead and sometimes the cabin interior. Footage is stored on the vehicle's SSD or cloud via Toyota's DCM service, useful for accident reconstruction and insurance claims. You might want to disable your Toyota dashcam for several reasons. First, for privacy, to prevent recording of personal conversations or activities. Second, to conserve battery and storage. Dashcams can drain power and fill up to 100 gigabytes of storage. Third, due to legal concerns in some areas where footage could be subpoenaed without your consent. The process varies by model. Always check your owner's manual. For 2023 plus models, start by starting the vehicle and accessing the infotainment system. Then go to Menu, Setup, Vehicle, and find Dashcam or DCM. Next, toggle recording to Off for partial disable, or select Power Down and hold the OK button for 5 seconds for full shutdown. Finally, confirm any prompts to restart the system to apply changes. For older models, try entering dealer mode by holding the audio and talk buttons for 10 seconds to access hidden menus. If the system is unresponsive, reset the software via the My Toyota app or visit a dealer. Note that disabling the camera may void the vehicle warranty or affect safety features like automatic emergency calling.